I'm Jared Dillingham on Lombok. Just beat the rain. A little storm moving in here. After a full day touring some of the little islands surrounding Lombok, they're all called Gili Islands, beautiful white sand beaches and snorkeling. Lombok is the island to the east of Bali and easy to get to by a quick flight or ferry ride. Flights are about $50 and just 45 minutes. The airport on Lombok is pretty modern and efficient, really built for tourism. Lombok is home to the famous Gili Islands, which offer a tropical coral reef experience teeming with fish and clear water. You can rent a car and drive around snorkeling on your own, or hire a driver and guide to take you. While the coral reefs are somewhat bleached from warming waters, as they are in many parts of the globe, the reefs are still alive and full of colorful fish. Some of the guides will put bread inside water bottles, have you shake it up, and then squirt it out to attract the fish. There are dozens of Gili Islands to visit. Some of them are pretty big. They have restaurants and hotels, while others just have sand. The boat rides between each island are quick. They'll let you spend as long as you like swimming with the fish or just relaxing on the beach. Lombok's also home to several beautiful resorts which are very cost-effective. This one includes a big backyard with its own private pool for about $250 a night. As for the best time of year to visit Lombok, July and August are the driest months. They're also the most crowded. The rainy season starts in October and lasts through the winter until April, so I might recommend May, June, or September for great weather and smaller crowds. I'll see you next time.